In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Expedia affiliate account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to monetize your travel blog or expand your business's revenue streams, becoming an Expedia affiliate is a fantastic way to earn commissions on bookings made through your referrals. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through each step with ease and clarity. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Expedia affiliate program page. It's an essential hub to get started, and you'll want to familiarize yourself with what they offer. Once you're on their site, take a moment to explore the program benefits, such as their competitive rates and a vast selection of travel products you can promote. Next up, locate the Join Now button on the page. This step is all about taking action, so be on the lookout for the button that invites you to become a part of this exciting program. Clicking on Join Now will guide you through the initial steps to officially join the network of Expedia affiliates worldwide. Proceeding further, you'll want to click on Create Account. This step is where you start to input your personal and business information to establish your account. Feel free to take your time here, ensuring all the details are accurate, as this is crucial in setting the foundation for your affiliate profile and aligning you with the opportunities that Expedia provides. As you move through the account creation process, you'll be prompted to enter a variety of details. Typically, these would include your business name, contact information, and website details if applicable. This information helps Expedia understand more about you and the platforms where you plan to share affiliate links. Once your account is set up, you are officially an Expedia affiliate, ready to promote travel products and earn commissions. The dashboard you'll gain access to provides essential tools and resources to track your performance, access marketing materials, and optimize your earning potential. Keep an eye on the reporting tools, as they will be invaluable in understanding how your links are performing and where there might be opportunities for improvement. It's also important to note the promotional techniques that can boost your success as an affiliate. Consider strategic placements of your affiliate links on your website, blog posts, or even social media platforms. Engaging and authentic content can increase the chances of your audience clicking through and completing bookings. Navigating through these steps might seem overwhelming at first, but once you've created your account, you'll realize how straightforward it is. Remember, with consistent effort and strategic promotion, you'll be well on your way to turning your travel passion into a rewarding affiliate endeavor. That's it for today's tutorial. Now, you're ready to explore the opportunities of being an Expedia affiliate. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to hear about your experiences and successes with this program. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips on optimizing your affiliate marketing journey.